In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable and disable AirDrop on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. After that, go to Screen Time. Then tap at Content and Privacy Restrictions. Enter Allowed Apps and Features, and that's where at that list we can easily find AirDrop. Currently it is enabled, and all we have to do in order to disable it is just tap at that switcher next to it. After that, AirDrop will be disabled on your entire device. In any application, you won't be able to use it until you get back to Allowed Apps and Features and turn it back on. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.